Welcome to The Secret of Grounding, why engineers treat it like a religion. We'll explore why grounding is so fundamental to electrical engineering. A ground is much more than just a wire. For engineers, it is the high priest of safety and the foundation of a stable electrical universe. Grounding establishes the absolute zero reference. The Earth acts as an infinite sink, absorbing endless current without changing its zero potential, which prevents voltages from floating. Grounding provides a life-saving path. In a fault condition, the low resistance of the ground wire outcompetes the human body, diverting almost all fault current away from the person touching the equipment. Grounding manages the power of the surge. During a dead short, currents can exceed 10,000 amperes. A robust grounding system carries this massive energy safely to the earth, preventing arc blasts and fire. It is important to distinguish grounding from bonding. Grounding connects the system to the physical earth, stabilizing voltage against lightning. Bonding connects all non-current carrying metal parts to the same potential, preventing shocks between surfaces. Grounding is critical for dissipating the sky's fury. A lightning strike can carry up to 1 billion volts. A proper ground rod creates a direct, high-capacity lane to move this energy safely into the soil, protecting sensitive equipment. The three pillars of grounding are life safety, surge control, and signal clarity. It ensures breakers trip instantly, dumps transient voltages safely, and provides a clean reference for electronics to prevent data corruption. Engineers are constantly engaged in the battle with soil resistance. The lower the soil's resistivity, the more effective the ground is. This is why soil is rigorously tested, as illustrated by the varying resistivity values. Field execution matters. This includes driving ground rods deep to reach the water table, ensuring mechanical strength in connections, protecting against corrosion with inhibitors, and keeping ground conductors short and straight for optimum performance. In summary, a grounding system is the only part of your electrical installation that you hope never has to work. But when it does, it must be perfect.